to my transit van camper build. Hope you're all alright. I've been doing very little on the van. The weather has been so lovely that we've been using it all really, and when I have a weekend off work, rather than doing a bit on the van, we've gone down to the seaside or whatever, and you know, we've gone out and used the van rather than working on it. But I have been doing little bits here and there. I don't know if you can just make out behind me there. I've started to build a framework for my overhead cupboards. You see, it goes all the way to the front. There's carpet on the wall now, obviously. I've carpeted that. I've still got my back door to do over there, and this side's all carpeted. The bed's folded up at the moment. I've carpeted the back. Other than that, there's not really many changes to the van, mainly because we've been using it and I've not been doing much on it. But today, hopefully, I have sort of had the day off. Shh, don't tell no one. So I'm going to see if I can finish building these cupboards up here. So that's the idea. As you can see, I just started with a little frame, which I've suspended from the ceiling. Let me just take you off of this and put the camera on there properly and I'll show you. As you see, I've basically got my fixings in the ceiling going into the metal ribs ceiling, and I've got a back fixing which is also screwed into the metal, and then from that I've basically built a frame, as you can see, just like half frame, just like some hangers coming down to support this front and some straights out, and I'm now going to start to box this in. I've also started to build this cupboard here for me water and my gas storage, etc. I'll show you that in a minute. It's a bit of a mess in here, as you can see, because working, storing, you know, as you do. But yeah, let's get on with this. I'm just about going to see about fixing the bottom under here, so rigid this up a bit. It is quite sturdy. It doesn't really move a lot anyway, but you know, things got to be done. So that's my next bit now, to stick a bottom on here. So let me do that and I'll show you that in a second. Get in there slowly. Hi and welcome. Just something slightly different today. I just want to talk about headlights. My headlights in my van are terrible. They're cloudy and misty up. I don't know if you have this problem. I'll just give you a quick show. Although this one here looks quite clear in the camera picture, it's not, and this one you can see is definitely all cloudy. But this one in the picture, when you get closer, it's actually not. Although in the camera it doesn't really show, but it is cloudy and it is misty up. It just doesn't look it in the camera, whereas that one does. Maybe it's the light or the angle, I don't know. But anyway, there's my. They're not good, as you can see. So what my plan is, I've tried toothpaste, it doesn't work. I've gone through YouTube and looked at loads of different things, and what I've decided on is the best course of action is to sand. So here goes. This is how I'm going to sort out my headlights. Right, the first thing we do is have to get some 120 grit sandpaper and sand over them both. I'm going to do that now. So I've got my sandpaper. You can see it's all white and milky. That's the oxidisation actually coming off of the glass, which is exactly how you want to see it. Use plenty of water. Rinsing. And you'll see the white milkiness. I have some stains there, very heavy bits. closer. So it should be smooth to the touch and feel lovely and smooth. Once it feels lovely and smooth, I then move on to 2000 grit sandpaper. And repeat the process. Wipe over. Microfiber cloths are excellent. And leave to dry. You can see it's an improvement already, but I'm not finished. There's still more to come. Clean the headlight. I use this glaze. So I can see now that I've still got cloudiness glazing, but it feels quite smooth to the touch. Just those bits here, so I should just go over this a little bit more. Once you're happy with the result, once you're all sanded, and it should be misty like this now, but cleaned up what it was, you can see it looks slightly more better. I then get some of this and spray it on, and you will see the difference. Light coats to start. And then we have one clear headlight. There you go. Now you can see the finished headlights. Back into the van. Looking 95% better. Not exactly brand new, but now no longer misty and all blurred up like they were before. So, in conclusion, I think if you want your headlights, you either buy new ones, don't bother with the toothpaste, don't bother with none of these other stuff they show you on YouTube. It doesn't work. Just go for it, sand it, redo it. It's the only way to do it, in my opinion. Well, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to follow my camper van build, and till next time, see you later.